it's Jenna. Welcome to a new video. Happy Hobonichi Mail Day. It's here! The Hobonichi 2021 has arrived. I am so excited to open this. I'm going to save you guys the trouble of watching me pull everything out super slow from the box. I'm going to do a very quick opening it up, and I'm going to focus on more what I've got in this video and how I intend to use it. So I hope that's a bit more helpful. For those of you who subscribe or watch my videos regularly, thank you so much. You'll know that I normally feature lots of Hobonichi flip throughs on this channel, and I'm really surprised I've never done an unboxing before. I think it's because there's always so many on YouTube that I always like to try and do something a bit different. But I was like really excited, and I want to share the experience with you, and you might be interested in what I'm going to be using for my Hobonichi for 2021. Yeah, just really excited. So I hope you like some of these tips and tricks that I'm going to show you of how I'll be personalizing my Hobonichi. Probably made a bit more of a modest choice where I just really can't afford to buy hundreds of books and covers. So I've kind of just really get necessities of what I'm definitely going to use. I journal in the A5 Hobonichi, so I've gone for an A5 size cover. Because I only really buy one notebook and a cover, I always splash out a little bit on some stationery items, so I'm really excited to have some of those things. Unboxing bit done, and I'll come back and show you all the goodies that I've got and chat about them a little bit and tell you what I'm going to be doing with each. So I get a couple of stationery items. I've got the cover over here because I want to show you the other items and reveal what cover I got, because I thought it would be exciting. Can you guys guess what cover? I'm going to do some personalization to it, but I just want to quickly show you the stationery I got. I really love this brand Kita, and I have a few of these little books. The Hobonichi buy time is probably one of the only times I really buy the kitty ears, because they have it in the Hobonichi store. They've always got lots of new ones that come out, so I like to see what they have each year. So it's really exciting to see what ones they had this year. They had this floral one. So for those who don't know, they're like washi tape strips, and yeah, they're just, you can use them for journaling and all sorts of things. They also have a beautiful like pattern on the back, so it's like a kind of little matchbook. So you can really stick it in your like journal pockets. But I really liked that kind of postal mail style. It has these little boxes I thought would be cute if you're like tracking something, or maybe you could do put some stamps in there. These will be handy for some labels. Really good for like decorating covers of plain journals as well. I love like colourful things, as you guys might know if you're on this channel regularly. So I had to get these, and these are really fun for like collaging and just decorating pen pal mail, and I really love the colours. They can brighten your pages up really quickly. I also have this little postage style sticker set. I wasn't going to get this because I make my own stickers for dating, but I don't use things as for their intended purpose. You guys might know that by now. So I'm going to make my own little mock postage stamps with these, and I'm going to ignore the little lines. I'm going to white out the lines, and I'm going to put like stickers inside them or illustrate something on it, so they're my own little mock stamps, because I love pen paling. So when I write about my pen pal, I could do like a happy mail on here. So that's what I'm going to be using them for. As if you checked out my Etsy shop, I have some really cool illustrated, more designy, cute stickers, date stickers if you're looking for them. So hop over to that store to see them and check my Hobonichi flip throughs. I got some washi tapes. I got this pack of slim washis. I already had these, but they've already, actually two of them have run out. So this is a rebuy from a washi tape that's run out because I used it a lot. And then I got this like polka dot style. And last year, one of the official washi tapes that they did, one of the first Hobonichi official washi tapes sold out. I could not get it. And I was like, I'll wait till next year. So let's have a look at this book. I love Japanese books. I have quite a big Japanese craft book selection. You can't read kanji or any of their beautiful writing, but I've been able to, yeah, still enjoy their books because of the visuals, like the photos and the pictures and the illustrations. So I'm really excited to get that. But now, guys, if you do want to get the book, but you can't think, oh, it's not worth it because I can't read it, I use a little app called Google Translate, and it's really easy to do. I don't know if this camera is going to pick it up, but if you hover it over the writing, it will start to translate the writing for you. So that could be an alternative if you really like the book. Check out the app Google Translate. I hope these tips are helpful. So let's take a quick flip of this. Really spoke to me, the illustrations. I think I'm going to be a little bit sneaky. For personal use only, I'm going to scan some of these pictures and add them to my Hobonichi because they're like really cool Hobonichi illustrations. That's another tip. I might even want to put this on the cover of my book. You guys know I love to add a lot of the Hobonichi ephemera, paper ephemera, to the cover of my Hobonichi. Sometimes I stick it in because it's like all these cute little illustrations. So another way you can use it, I mean, if you want, you could cut it up, but I'm a bit precious about my books, especially special ones. So, oh, I can just smell the new book. It smells so good. So yeah, that's another idea. Look how cute this is. So a nice little flip through of this book if you haven't had a good look. But I love it because it's got the history of the Hobonichi. They've even got examples on how different people use the Hobonichi. I love just page layouts. Oh, the Japanese really are great at doing page layouts. Totally right up my alley. So yeah, oh, look at all the collagen. You got weeks. I have to show you a flip through of my Hobonichi weeks. I've got 2 of them. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see it. I've been planning to do it. Got a few little DIY tips so you can make, using that slim washi I got, you can make these cute little paper clips. So there's lots of like little ideas in here. And just like how other people are documenting. I love that kind of scrappy junk journal look. Oh, I love like the cafe ones where they do the watercolors at the restaurant. I really love this week's, but I wasn't sure if I wanted a week's this year. I haven't had one. I've had one the other years, but I just haven't got one this year. But I really love that. And these Japan only covers are so nice. I get so upset when there's only Japan only items and you can't get them. It's really frustrating. Love that. Look at the illustration. Okay, so I got the cousin as well. I'll just quickly show you the more stationery. So with the Hobonichi, you get the free, I think it's a ballpoint pen. And this has actually got black, blue and red on it. Oh, I don't remember them. Have they always had that? And it's got the little Hobonichi logo on there. And the little anniversary, because it's the 20th anniversary. I would have liked if the box was pink. It's been yellow before. Love, love Koeshi dolls. So squealed when I saw this on the website. And I had to get these. They're just like little memo notes with this Koeshi doll on the top. And then you also get, with the Hobonichi journals, not the day free, but with the main ones, you get a brush pen, which is really exciting to have a brush pen this year. I'm not going to do all tests because I'm sure you've seen them in other videos, but I did get the brush pen. This is also the program that comes with the Hobonichi this year. I actually get really excited to see what the program's going to be, which is the pamphlet that comes in with the books when you buy it. That's one of my most exciting things. So I was so happy to see this cute illustration. If you see my other videos, I like to repurpose these. I sometimes put them on the cover of my journals and I cut them up too, or scan them and put the pictures in. So I really love this year's one. She's obviously cute. She's Hobonichi and she's going hobba hobba hitchy hitchy. And it's so cute. There's like a little cat and the stationery around her. And I just really, really love this brochure. It's so cute. And then you can pull it out. And this is, they should do this every year, I think. I know it's the anniversary, so they might have did like a special. But they've also got pictures of ways you can use the Hobonichi. It pulls out pretty big. And then they've got this gorgeous illustration on the top, which I love, and I'm totally going to scan that and put it in my journal. So they've got all that on the back, and then on the other side they've got a little quick detail of their books and some of the releases this year. So really, really cute. I absolutely adore that. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I really like this year's one, because normally there's just like a comic inside, but this year there's a bit more detail, which is really nice. And I got the Astro Boy pencil board because I love all things nostalgia, and I love Astro Boy. And when I went to Japan the first time 10 years ago, I went to the little Astro Boy shop, and it was one of my main places I wanted to visit, and I was really excited. So this is a good little ode to that visit, and I just love it. I didn't realise, guys, but it's actually a bit hologrammy. But I don't use the pencil balls that much, but I'll be using it for another purpose, which I'll show you in a second. And then I got the little A5 folder set because I absolutely adored this Japanese illustrator's work. If you saw my date stickers for this month, I illustrated the A6 cover with this artist's bird on it, her work. Those you know, I don't use the A6 Hobonichi, I use the A5. I would have got the cover with the bird on it if it was an A5 book, but alas, it was only available in the A6. So I've got this instead, and I'm going to show you a little hack that I've come up with to get that A5 version that I wanted. So these are the gorgeous folders I'm going to put. Even the other back side looks really cool. Oh wow, I kind of even like this side a little bit better. Oh, so nice. I really like that squiggly side. So they're really cool. So they're little A5 folders. Okay, so ready for the cover reveal? It's nothing fantastic, but I will be doing something special with it. Okay, so here it is. Yep, it's just a plain coloured cover. You're probably thinking, oh, is that what I waited for? But I'm really excited because I've always had a bit of a pattern colour. I get a bit sick of seeing the same thing all the time, so I love to personalise my covers a lot. I'm really excited to get this. I got the Strawberry Biscuit cover. So it's this lemony, it's meant to be on the website, it was this really yellowy lemon colour, and what I loved about it was I had this beautiful berry pink, and it actually looked a bit more pinker on the website. So just to show you, when I opened it up I was like, oh, I was hoping it was be a bit yellow. I thought, I've got this little old retro Littlest Pet Shop, I thought it was going to be this yellow, right? So here's an example. So I thought it was going to be this yellow, but it's more of a biscuit yellow, which makes sense because I guess it's called Strawberry Biscuit. So if you are new to ordering on the Hobonichi website, the covers don't always translate exactly from the pictures they show on their website to what you get. So you've got to be really careful. So here's a good example. So I thought it was going to be this yellow, but the kind of yellow it's actually more of a tan. I don't want to say gold, but I guess it could be gold, and I'm not really a fan of gold, to be honest. But a good example here, I've got this tanned looking washi tape holder from Daiso, a cat. If I put this near it, this hopefully is a good example of the difference of what I thought it was and the colour it is. I don't have any regrets because I'm going to DIY it, but I do wish it was a bit more pastel-y colour. And I love biscuits and tea, so it's actually grown on me because it's not in your face. I'll be personalising this cover throughout the whole year, doing different things, and one of them is this hack that I've come up with. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you like these ideas. So there's nothing new about putting anything in front of your covers, but I've never seen anyone do this before. So I loved this, and I thought, oh, what if I can put that on my cover, and even can put this on the back even though there's a pocket, and so I can actually get this cover that I do want. And another thing I could do is what I've planned to do is even use the board, so the Astro Boy board, I can even use that on the cover as well, which will work easily. It kind of clashes the pink a bit, but I don't use the pencil boards. I also thought I can use this as a dashboard in another journal, so say A5 rin binder journal. I wanted to punch some holes in it to use it in that. So another idea of what you could maybe do with some of the products here. So here we go, I'm gonna try it and see if this works. I think it's gonna fit. Happy it worked. Look at it. So you can use your covers. You use the little files. And if you've got ones from other years too, give them a go. Stick them in. But that's my little hack. That's my Hobonichi. I'm going to start using it. So I love this design. Hacked it. I'm really happy how that turned out, and I can't wait to put my little journals in and show you even more ideas and some setup ideas that I have in a future video. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you all are enjoying. Maybe you've ordered your Hobonichi. I hope you like my personalized ideas. Feel free to yeah, tag me if you do the same thing, if you share it on Facebook or Instagram, or if you're another YouTuber. Please, yeah, link back to this for the tips and hacks. I would be greatly appreciated. As well as if you share it on Facebook groups, you can tag me on there. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And I hope that 2021 is a happy and brighter year for everyone as well. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now. Bye.